So there's this toothpaste called CEELIKE, or CEELIKE, same thing, just spelled differently depending on where you see it, and it's been popping up all over TikTok and Amazon lately. People are calling it the next big thing in dental care, and the marketing definitely leans into that vibe. It's fluoride-free, has a sleek, modern look, and comes with a cucumber flavor. They say it helps repair enamel, whitens your teeth, and even reduces sensitivity thanks to something called nanohydroxyapatite, specifically 7.5% of it. One of the more eye-catching claims is that it was supposedly developed for astronauts. Sounds cool, right? But there's no real evidence that NASA had anything to do with it. That part seems more like a clever way to make the product feel high-tech and exciting, even if it's just hype. As for the fluoride-free label, yeah, some people are into that. But it's worth knowing that fluoride is widely supported by dental experts like the ADA and who is both safe and effective when used properly. Calling it a harsh chemical might sound alarming, but that's more about marketing buzzwords than science. Plus, there aren't any solid clinical trials provided that show this toothpaste works better, or even as well, as fluoride-based options. Looking into where the toothpaste actually comes from raises a few eyebrows too. It seems like it might be a drop-shipped product. You can find nearly identical packaging and images on sites like Alibaba, where it costs just a few bucks to buy wholesale. But on Amazon, it's being sold for around $12 to $16. That suggests someone just rebranded a generic product and marked up the price quite a bit. And then there are the reviews. Some of them sound a little too polished or overly enthusiastic, like they might not be 100% genuine. On the flip side, the negative reviews mention things like poor quality and long shipping times from overseas. Now, to be fair, hydroxyapatite itself is legit. It's a real ingredient that's been studied and does have potential benefits for your teeth. So it's not like this toothpaste is necessarily fake or useless. But the way it's being marketed definitely oversells it, and the lack of transparency about where it comes from and why it costs what it does makes it harder to trust. Bottom line? It might work okay, but it's not some revolutionary miracle toothpaste. If you're thinking about trying it, do your homework first, and maybe talk to your dentist before switching away from products that have a stronger track record. Don't fall for the hype just because it looks trendy online.